Back with... Right, see.
Hi.
Back to vlog, you guys. I don't know when the last time I vlogged, maybe 5 months ago, but I want to be vlogging at least.
Today she's happy, she go to work.
Yes, very happy, and it's Sunday. They are going to kill me. No, I just wanted to vlog today because like I've been tired, you guys, and I really love to vlog. It makes me happy. And we have situation in our house. Maybe we have something to vlog, that's why I vlog. Okay, we are renovating our toilet, which you can see well, but I'm going to show you the video of before, how it was. And here, our living room. This is our living room situation. Oh my goodness, it's scary. These tiles were green and they peel all this green part up, like, and those.
How was it?
Now I have to go to work. That is looking, waiting. I need to edit too today, so.
I'm going
you supposed to, cause it keeps me on my toes. It kinda makes me want you more. I get a kick from going out when you don't want me to, knowing you're at home all mad.
Hi guys, don't mind the messy. Look how crazy is my room right now. This looks disgusting. In there, like, I'm screaming. We are going to Ikea now, you guys. I'm going to show you a little bit around. I'm not going to vlog there. So I want to go to check for some cabinets that I want to put in my store because we want to renovate even our store. I am not going to show you my store right now because it looks disgusting, because it's all full, you guys. We have all of the product for toilet and everything down. We already measured everything, so now we are going to Ikea. Maybe we can find some cabinet. I'm going to show you guys that in the vlog. And yeah, but I'm not going to buy anything. I just want to go there and see. But the only reason why we are going out right now, because we want to buy some light, because now in our room we have this Ikea light, which is plastic, so difficult to clean it. When you touch it, the flower thing, they come out. And we want to buy light even for our toilet. Let me show you guys our toilet situation now, because I showed you yesterday. So yes, let me show you. Okay, so our store is here. Let me show you a sneak peek of our store, you guys. You can see there. I'm not going to show you full. As you guys can see, our house situation still looks the same. Little bit dark here. So we want to buy another light for our interest. And this is the light we had before from Ikea. It doesn't give any light, you guys, as you can see. And another thing, and we are going to change the light for this corridor here, this one here. And this is our toilet now. Look at this. Oh my god, this is so beautiful. This is so beautiful. And we have bath tube here. They're going to put shower box here, as you guys can see there. I can't wait for this toilet to finish, you guys. And yeah.
I know I shouldn't feel like that. I do it, you do it, we do it all the time. Pushing the buttons until we both lose our mind. Why can't we let ourselves play it safe just for a while? Cause baby, I know it, you know it, we know it. Deep inside, we too addicted to friction to change our mind. We so in love, but babe, it's not enough to survive. Cause it's your way, love, 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 that makes us do all.
I want to show you guys the things that I got from Ikea. I got a few stuff, you guys. I got only few stuff that I wanted. This toilet carpet. This one was only like €8, but I got 3 of these. This is how they are. They have this beautiful washed white color. And I got another one. I am going to get more of these for my toilet because in my toilet I normally use the gray carpet from Ikea, the one with the like small balls. I don't know how to explain it to you guys. When I go to Ikea like all the time, I must buy this plastic bag. I use this all the time and I get in 2 sizes, the small one and the medium one. And another thing that I got from Ikea are these beautiful plants. I want to put this outside my balcony because I have this like black ladder that I used to keep plant and now it's empty. So I am going to put this plant and I'm going to get another one, just this type of plant that doesn't need like so much water. Yes, we bought this light for my toilet, you guys, and this is how it is. And this will be my first time to try the LED light for the house, because normally I use this LED light here under my kitchen, this one, and I have this for like 4 years and it's still good. So that's why this time I went for LED light, and I'm going to get another one because I need one for my interest. And this one here, I am going to use it in my room. And we got another one, this one for our store. And we got just the simple one to put outside our balcony. And yeah, okay you guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram, and I'll see you guys on my next. Bye bye.